my name's Kevin Thorogood. I'm the hotel director for new build and modernization. We are on Oasis of the Seas in Cadiz, the most amazing amplification of any vessel in history.
We get the chance to reimagine something which was truly unique, even when she was built and delivered 10 years ago, almost to the day, to be honest. Almost every single space on the ship is getting touched. And that is quite something on such a large ship. And so many venues are completely changing. So our guests are going to get a tremendous experience with something so new.
This is a $165 million amplification. We have over 2,700 contractors on board right now and another 2,300 crew.
This is a huge project, so 63 days out of service is quite an extensive time for us.
The ultimate abyss is the ultimate challenge. How do you fit something like that onto a retrofit onto a vessel is extremely challenging.
To be able to get the abyss in place, we had to put in massive 60 feet pillars, 2 of them, erect them on the boardwalk and weld them into existing ship structure. And then we had the massive fish head that came in several pieces from France, and we put them all together here.
The pool deck is really getting a fantastic amplification. We're very much putting in a Caribbean feel with our lime and coconut bars, a lot of palm trees, casitas.
So we're adding the perfect storm onto our pool deck amidst the pool deck refresh. We're having to add tanks. We have to cut the ship open somehow to get those tanks in. So we've had to cut holes into our pool deck to lower the tanks.
Above the navigational bridge, we got 30 staterooms going in, including 2 suites.
We're adding about 800 tons to the ship. 800 tons sounds like a lot, but we'll manage perfectly here. The ship was built with plenty of stability from the beginning, and this amplification will only make that better.
We're really excited to see when we relaunch how new she's going to feel, how she's going to appear. The exciting venues that we've created, the addition of some outstanding features that, whilst we've got them on other ships, they're going to be even better and a really big wow factor.